and welcome to my channel. So I'm Swansea and I create videos on DIYs, creative, makeup essentials, product reviews and a lot more. So if you are interested in any of these, then do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, today's video is about the Swiss Beauty collection, my Swiss Beauty haul, the recent sweet products which I ordered. So yes, without wasting much time, let's get started. The very first product I have here with me is the Swiss Beauty makeup primer, the real makeup base primer, and this is said to be the highlighting primer, which is in the shade 01 natural tint, and the price for this one is just rupees 3.99. I would definitely recommend it under the category of the most affordable makeup essential primer. It really highlights your skin, just one drop, and gives natural tint to your skin. It modifies the pores. It also helps in moisturizing the skin. So this is definitely one of the recommended affordable primer in the primer category, and I would definitely rate it 9 on 10. So the next one I have here with me is Swiss Beauty Flawless Finish foundation, which is their lightweight foundation and can be used for daily wear. Now this one is in the shade 03 Natural Beige, and the price for this one is just rupees 279, again below 500. So I think it comes under the category of the most affordable foundation under the makeup essentials, and it also has SPF 42 and it is also dermatologist recommended. So I have used it and I would definitely recommend it. Again, 9 on 10. Their products are very good actually. So yes, this is a go-to-go product. Okay guys, so moving on to the next product from Swiss Beauty is here, which I have the Swiss Beauty pop-up eyeliner, which is the Styliner, and this is in the shade Natural Black, that is 01, and it is really good. It has the finest deep, you can see here it has the finest tip and it really glides very well. So I would definitely recommend it to someone who is very bad with eyeliner and which gets scared, you always mess up like me. So this is the product which you should definitely buy because it has the finest deep, I would say, and I would definitely rate it 8 on 10. So yes, this one is the one. From the next one I have here with me is the Swiss Beauty Matte Bulk Finish lipstick, and this is in the shade 323 Dark Plum, and this is just for rupees 199, again worth the price. And this is, as I said, this is in the shade Dark Plum. So it looks on a little darker side, but it is not that dark. You need to apply a little force to give it a darker side. But otherwise, it is like for someone who wants a natural tint to their lips. So this one is for you. And I would recommend it because sometimes it's not always necessary that you should apply a very dark shade of lipstick. Sometimes you need to apply a little lighter shade which is not that tinted, especially if you're going for work. So this one is for those people who go for work and want a little lighter side. So I would definitely rate it 9 on 10. To the next product, which is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now I had purchased this long back and this is in the shade 02, and the price for this one is 269. So again, it has different colors, different shades. So as you can see, these are the shades and I have used it and it is quite good. The colors are very nice and they give a popping effect to my eyes. Right now also I'm using one of them. So yes, this is again a very good product under the range of rupees 500 from Swiss Beauty. So I would rate it 8 on 10. And the last product I have here with me is this one, that is Swiss Beauty eyeliner and the eyebrow and the gel eyeliner, which is 2 in 1, and it comes in this box. As you can see, all the features have been mentioned here, and it is 24 hours lasting, smudge proof and waterproof. So when you open it, it comes something like this. So as you can see, it comes with a small brush, which is one side can be used for eyeliner and the other side can be used for the brows. So yes, it comes like this, which is very nice. And here it comes like this. A small bottle. It looks quite fancy and quite handy as well. So if you open it from here, you get the eyebrow powder, and if you open it up from here, you get the gel eyeliner. So it's worth the price and I would definitely rate it 8 on 10. So yes guys, so this was all for today, and I think all the Swiss beauty products are between the range of 8 to 10. I would definitely rate it 8 to 10, and worth buying under the price of rupees 500, under the makeup essentials under rupees 500. It is worth buying. Also, let me know in the comment section below what more videos would you like to see and watch out from my side. So yes, this was all for today, and if you guys like this video, then do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and till then, stay safe, take